What's up, guys? This is Ryan here. I just wanted to talk about the Generac again, but as you can clearly see, this model is it's not sold at the Home Depot, sold at the Menards anymore. It's now been in the Home Depot. As you can tell, this is a good machine. I know it looks kind of weird without the cover, which I mean, that's okay. It's just not as bad as I thought. I mean, look at this machine. It's very good. It's nice. You got a split cover right here. You got the valve cover, overhead valve, You got a started recoil, which is actually it's messed up a little bit, but it's okay. But it's not. There we go. That's what it's supposed to be, but doesn't look as bad as you can see. But if you think about how much more this stuff is actually basically here, which just actually looks nice. I don't care how much it is, but